There's a quiet magic to the English countryside, where rolling hills meet stunning coastline filled with centuries of history. On this classic Collette journey, you'll slow down to savor England's many shades, from its legendary landmarks to its tucked-away villages, all with 2-night stays that let you truly settle in. It's travel designed by people who call these landscapes home, for those who want more than just the postcard sights. Wander London's timeless streets, where icons like Big Ben and Westminster Abbey still stand watch over modern life. Pause at Stonehenge, a prehistoric mystery steeped in legends. Then trade the city for the coast and Cornwall, where the rugged Tin Min cliffs and salty air have long inspired artists, writers, and filmmakers. At Bovey Castle, your stay is more than a getaway, it's an experience. You'll wake to chirping birds and sweeping views of endless green within Dartmoor National Park. In the Cotswolds, walk among honey-colored cottages and ivy-draped lanes, then step inside Chavanage House, a private family estate where history still greets you at the door. Because the English countryside isn't a place you simply see, it's a rhythm you fall into. These are the many shades of England.